Would you smash or pass that man over there? Papa, Christasha says she wants to smash her.
Why you want to smash?
I'm not going to hit you. I'm going to...
Good day, people. Welcome back to the channel. One of the things that she an angel, you know. One of swear to God says she an angel, but it's a devil.
Hi, beautiful people. How are you doing? Sun is in my eyes.
But you know, I want a kiss from him. But remember to leave a like on the video, guys, and subscribe. So,
Subscribe. Go over to my channel at Christasha Life.
you have content over there?
Yes, I do.
You need to put up video for people and watch and send them over there.
Me I put up video, but it just take my time. Guys, I have about 3 videos, but it doesn't matter. I'm loyal to do it.
Where's the way I do? Another one.
We're gonna do a smash or pass.
Hold on. Smash and pass. With which people them?
We actors and actresses.
We actors and actresses?
Yeah, we co-work.
So you go first? Hold on there! What that? How? Krista! No! How about that for Krista? This is how that for your neck!
But if I
Whoa!
not for my neck.
No, sir. Look how me think this is a cute girl. Alright. Me cannot money. Something bite up on your neck, mama. You need a mosquito net. No! A mosquito, yeah. A mosquito is not ball. So, I use a smash and pass, you know. What going on?
You want me to go first?
Nah, I go first.
Would you smash or pass Natasha? Her picture is gonna be on the screen, guys.
Yes, her picture I got up on the screen. Smash or pass, Natasha.
Yeah.
I'ma have to pass, man. I'ma have to pass.
Well, that's
I'ma have to pass.
smash.
I'ma have to... Hear that smash, Natasha? So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass Alton Garden?
You don't know a pass. Me Alton can't agree.
No, star.
No offense, Alton.
Alright.
Just for our lovely people.
Alright, come again. Me again.
Would you smash or pass? I can't remember the girl's name.
Oh man.
One that you're like a Rasta girl, remember her name?
Oh, Tori?
Yeah, Tori.
Let's smash or pass Tori. My God, for pass.
Yeah, pass everybody.
Not everybody will talk about this.
Okay. What a chance, yeah. I like it here.
Yeah.
You have a pretty smile.
Hold on! Yes! Smash! Smash or pass, we are playing. Say, would you smash or pass?
Pass, mommy.
She passed my hair, she smashed me. Whoa!
If I say pass, smash, mommy, man. What's up
Anyway.
So, alright, so me get smashed, guys. I got smashed. Big ups to
You
me.
too lie me. You not ask me about yourself.
So now you just say me have smile and you that smash.
Me say Tori.
Oh, you that smash Tori?
Yeah.
Hold on, where you say twin? Hold on, come on, pass. Where you say? This smash or pass not done it. So, pass Natasha, pass Tori. I love them both though. However, Miss here said she would smash both of them. Yeah. So, would you smash or pass? Yours truly. Smash.
Pass.
What? What? Would you?
I mean, forgot your
Would you? Alright, your turn.
Would you smash or pass Shan?
Oh, that's the girl that always a part to her? Pass.
Pass everyone and woman them.
Would you?
Come little brown man.
Would you smash?
They cage him.
Smash nobody. No woman.
Would you smash or pass? Richard Brown.
Richie and me boss. Me not go touch your boss.
No, I'm not saying gameplay.
Go little brown man.
Oh, yeah, got video, me let him out.
No, you're brown man. You're pass. You see man had a help. You go let him out.
Oh, yeah, I got video. Man.
That's right, camera.
Come, hold this.
Where's the Christasha?
Hmm?
Where's your pass every
So,
man at all?
Every
You-
woman.
No man said smash our pass. You say pass every man and now smash none.
Oh, him say him not smash none.
As I say,
Me never say me nah smash none, it's just that the one them where you go so far, me pass. Come, you have to put me in the green box. Put me in the green box and press this so me in a focus.
Yeah,
Come.
me, Richie them did show me that.
Alright, good. So, video me. So, we're not done with the smash or pass yet, people. Me I go take one little piece and move.
Yeah, they're not focus
Don't
yet.
stop. Eh?
Oh,
You're not focus now?
yeah.
Alright, good. Christasha learn to use the camera. You zoom in. So, come back up.
Yeah, pass it.
Pass down yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I know how you come up, so you don't want to run back this and come up.
So, you want to go up or down?
I want
Nice,
to
Richie.
try to say, man. Not put it fire, so you can climb. Just stop right.
So guys, we are doing a scene.
Yeah, so?
Christasha.
Ready?
No, go in front of me, say, light from the top.
Oi! Video lady, just hold up the camera now. Hey, so, what happened?
What if I know, sir?
What happened?
Back again.
This heavy.
We're not done smash and pass yet. We have some more smashing to go.
You're going, you know. You're going to smash till you smash something wrong.
I say, me pop two of them there already.
See, big boss attack then. I put the camera on him now.
No, that one, that
No, that can't go up on internet, you
Pay
mad.
attention now.
You must not see that side of me. Eh?
Where?
Hey,
I'm saying that.
Bieber saying, oh, 2 person already.
Yeah, that's what I'll say.
So now she said,
Yeah, so.
as she
who there
said,
now?
I am not in that list of 2 persons who she mentioned. I'm not in the
You
list.
must have been my
Thank you.
saying that two person.
That me know. But when me tell them no clear, please. Me not in that. I'm not any of the 2 that.
You're be on the artist.
Done?
No, almost. Watch it all the time.
No, with me.
Yeah. So you're be on the artist.
So come in.
It's right dog, give me that.
So listen me, lady. Yeah, I guess behind the scenes. When that them man they are chat
Don't
up with the camera.
come. Don't make no nice boy, man.
Me not see
And I'm
him.
gonna vex up my face. We still come back with the smash and pass.
Action.
Ready?
Action, yeah.
I said Christasha, my mom I got.
Yeah, them near me out. Guys, if this not record 100, I'm not a cameraman.
So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass Megapixel? Answer no?
Mega is a liar, man.
Mega is a loyal man.
So like you
Natural
smash.
Me never ask you that. Me never ask
Me
you that.
not going to smash Mega because me no want Mega woman come for me.
So yeah.
Don't call me.
Me call that name already.
I'm already
No,
called.
name shouldn't call me because I'm going to be your father.
Yeah,
So, come. Again, ready again.
tell me.
No, you say Mega, you know.
Would you smash or pass the original candy?
Candy, I'm a virgin. I can't smash candy, eh?
I'm a dog.
I'm a general that. I'm a pass.
Get out of
It's
focus.
alright. It's in a focus, I know.
Yeah.
It's in a focus. So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass? Juta rhyme. Get out Utah so for a long time. Get out Utah so
You talk us with this?
Me not do. Hold on.
Oh, disrespect Rasta.
Where say pass? You know, say nobody knows.
Lord have mercy.
Me
on
see.
this man
You
today.
see,
Me see it long time, man. Me I say, what kind of mosquito bite him up, so?
Which man?
Me don't know which
Nobody
man.
don't bite
You
me.
ask me say which man. Which man.
Nobody don't bite
Which
me
this
neck.
part. You say baby so cover up. I get up and gone home. Maybe I curious when right after you go last night after it rain.
Oh, this morning this come
This
from.
morning. Early morning wake up.
No, since before me come out here. I
Oh.
have sex or nothing.
Thank you one before you come out and say, yo.
Because me da freaking
Body
around.
see it. The body see it. Means saying see it, say just get something, but I look fine, not you?
I don't have sex with you.
Let's have it next.
So just
I
lie
have
down
me
with
first
them.
do it. No, I'm da with him.
Bah!
That's right.
I have a black out that off our channel.
Here now.
But anyways, your boss, Mr. Jutaram. Sorry, my boss.
Would you
Uh-huh.
smash or pass Orlando?
Seriously, big man thing. Pass. Come. Would you? No, differently. No can't pass everybody.
I do a pass everybody.
No, just cause I don't reach down to nobody when we would smash. Yeah. Alright. For your time again. But no more man no left. Started. Oh, would you smash or pass? Grey balls.
Blood.
Yo, that smash and pass and no normal at all. So
Down in belly.
no.
How much that me go do?
My turn.
Rub down in belly. Would you smash or pass Christasha?
Christasha. Yeah, right, that's right now. Smash.
That yeah, weird fun.
Smash.
Oh, you want surgery? Would you smash or pass?
Hold on, no one can laugh so.
Bye.
Oh.
Hey,
Yo, hey.
Body done. Hey. Try to get intense and knock a girl. Fire! We're born in the world place.
Yo, here we go. The video done. Christasha does why out the video.
White family. Move on there.
Hey, big up on yourself and people. This is really and truly Christasha's version of smash and pass. But it's kind of unfair because, alright, out of whole of this everybody, I want somebody who really smashed. How you go? How you go? How you go? It's done, man. You're lucky. So, Christasha, anything you want to say to the people before any video?
Guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Comment if you know one more. Smash or pass, mukbang, whatever. We get it.
Alright, do not hear that. So, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in as usual. Remember to subscribe, you know. Remember to subscribe and leave one like on the
I'm
video.
over my
Thanks.
channel.
Tell them to like and subscribe and go up on your channel now.
You tell them about mine. Your turn to talk.
So go up on Christasha channel, people. You know, see them come over there already.
Christa's live.
Live.
Christa's live.
Yeah.
Christa's live.
Like,
Live. Oh.
Christasha nearly reached 200 subscribers already and I had 40 at the end of the day.
We are going good man.
Big up yourself. So, go and support the movement, people. Look more. We chat to you again. We got tired.